Oh my God, they would not appreciate this. They are not gonna. Andre, we're gonna get arrested. We're getting arrested. Andre, oh, that's security right there. He's calling the cops. I said, oh yeah, we're gonna go on a ride before it gets dark. Now it's fucking pitch black. You know,
where's the windshield at?
Stink.
That looks way better. You got the dark smoke.
No, I'll pick it up.
This is the dark smoke. Look at mine. That's the light smoke. You got the dark smoke.
Oh, well there was dark smoke and it was right next to black.
It's fine.
I just dropped the bolt. Did you ever acquire the Magnet? I don't want everyone to see my servo motor, okay? Servo buddy coming soon, okay? Amazon shipping problems. I don't know what to tell. But unlock the CBR. Once you move the motor, access to everything. Oh, there's no installation instructions.
Are there spacers? Put that in between.
Dude, the only thing holding those other ones up is my hopes and dreams. All right, this is way better. I no longer require your assistance.
All there.
Now put the fucking camera down and grab some bolts. Put it down! You torque to approximately 4 million PSI. You do not want this thing rattling. Dude, look, there's rubber off my tire.
License plate light. That goes right there.
Yeah, it's all in the sock. Easy to access. You don't gotta... They're not gonna know.
Again?
Stop. No check engine lights. No check engine lights for us. One day when there's a plate there, it'll have something to show. Oh yeah. All right, we know what's gonna happen here. He's gonna button this back up and we're gonna swing the servo motor back on, even though the cables, I took the cables off. I didn't want to have a check engine light while I was riding around. I wanted to be, so I left the servo motor until the servo buddy comes in. Amazon, you bastards, hurry up. Perfect. We're trying to ride before it's 33.5 degrees. Alright, don't drop these like you did last time.
Okay. I don't know what it is about motorcycles. You can't not drop every other bolt.
And then if it falls and hits the floor in here, it's just vast. It's gone.
So the dumb thing about Kawasaki's that I noticed, you like your stuff fogging up? That's how that happens. Oh, it's when it's so much better.
Yes.
Yours has a lot of dang bolts for a windscreen, dude.
I noticed, because when we were riding, I touched your windscreen, it was like, this thing does not, like, it barely vibrates. Whatever's happening, the windshield's not coming off. Might need that again.
That's at the end. No. No. Get in there, boy.
In the double bubble. Mother of God. Always torque everything as tight as possible. Right before you hear your plastics crack, that's how tight you torque everything to. Trust me. Mechanic. Let me get that. Oh!
Look at it on the side. That's where now it looks like a bike.
It comes up so much higher. Oh, there's two. I was like, no. This is like a whole movie. Like the heartbreak and everything. Oh. What's up? We all valet this? Dude, yeah, hop on, I don't care. And he has this is the 2020 R6.
The last year, because they stopped making the R6 now, right?
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Come over here on this side though, so you don't look dumb. I'm gonna help you out. Yo, what's this bus? Hey. Oh my God, they would not appreciate this. They are not gonna. Andre, we're gonna get arrested. We're getting arrested. Andre, oh, that's security right there. Oh my God. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh my God, this guy just blinded me. Yeah, he just screamed at me and blinded me. No, I'm gonna turn around. He's calling the cops. Oh, this is way too big. Oh, Andre, I'm in a bind here. Where are you at? Oh my God, I have to get off. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. I've practiced this. Oh my God. He put the thing in his like, I'm calling the cops. I was like, oh my God. Okay. Dude, he was yelling at me, dude. Look, you would have thought I literally just killed his whole family. That's what you would have thought. He said, what are you doing? Look, he's literally like this, what are you doing? I was like, oh my God, this guy's something else. I thought he was gonna like push me or something. I was gonna have to get off and beat this old dude's ass and then ride out of here. Like, I'm not trying to get physical with no one. We're just having fun. His whole life he trained for this moment and he failed. I literally don't care. That guy freaked out. Oh my God, what kind of reaction was that? I saw him walk out, side rode off into the grass, and I gave it a little bit of gas and my back tire just spun. I was like, oh no. I had to avoid him, dude. I don't know what he was yelling, but he was just yelling. I was like, all right, cool. I don't know where you went. You were going so much faster than me, I don't know where you went. How'd you get around to the other side?
All right, we need to get out. I'm out, I'm leaving. Oh no!
You know how gone I'm gonna be by the time they get here? All right, after all that excitement, me and Dre have worked up quite the appetite. Here we are at the Woodlands Mall Shake Shack.